Hey plant lovers! In today's video, we are exploring beautiful flowering plants you can grow in just water. No soil, no mess, and perfect for indoors. From peace lily to anthurium and stunning bulbs like amaryllis, you'll see easy, stylish ways to decorate your home naturally. Let's create a fresh, calming green corner together. Starting with Hyacinth, Hyacinthus orientalis, is a popular spring flowering bulb that can be grown beautifully in water indoors. It produces dense spikes of highly fragrant flowers in shades of pink, purple, blue, white, and peach, making any room feel fresh and lively. Use a glass vase or hyacinth jar, keeping the bulb just above the water so only roots are submerged. Place it in a cool, bright spot with indirect sunlight. Roots form first, then green shoots and blooms appear within a few weeks. Change water regularly to keep it clear. It's perfect for decorative tables, windowsills, and elegant, soil-free indoor gardening displays. Tulip tulipa is a classic bulb flower that can also be grown in water indoors for a clean, elegant display. These blooms come in almost every color: red, yellow, pink, white, purple, and even bicolor varieties. Use a glass container with the bulb sitting just above the water, allowing only the roots to touch moisture. Keep in a cool, bright place with indirect light. Tulips need a chilling period before growing, which helps trigger blooming. Shoots appear first, followed by graceful cup-shaped flowers. They are perfect for minimalist decor, tabletops, and brightening indoor spaces naturally without soil mess. Amaryllis amaryllidaceae is a bold, show-stopping bulb plant known for its huge, trumpet-shaped flowers and tall, sturdy stems. It can be grown in water indoors using a glass vase filled with pebbles to support the bulb, keeping only the roots in water. Blooms appear in red, white, pink, striped, or coral shades, often during winter. Place it in bright, indirect light and rotate the container so the stem grows straight. Change water regularly to prevent odor. Flowers last for weeks, making it perfect for festive decor, tabletops, and elegant indoor plant displays with dramatic visual impact. Anthurium Anthurium andrinum is the striking tropical flowering plant famous for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and long-lasting, waxy blooms. The colorful flowers are actually spades, commonly seen in red, pink, white, or purple, with a central spadix. It can grow in water using a glass container, with only the roots submerged. Place it in bright, indirect light and warm indoor conditions. Change the water weekly to keep roots healthy. Anthuriums add a modern, elegant touch to desks and tabletops. With proper care, they bloom repeatedly and are perfect for stylish, soil-free indoor plant decor. Peace lily Spathiphyllum wallicae is a graceful indoor flowering plant admired for its lush green leaves and elegant white blooms. The flower consists of a white spathe surrounding a central spadix. It grows well in water when only the roots are submerged in a glass container. Place it in bright, indirect light and avoid direct sun. Change the water weekly to keep roots healthy and prevent odor. Peace lilies also help improve indoor air quality and create a calm, fresh atmosphere. It's perfect for homes, offices, and tabletops, offering beauty, simplicity, and low-maintenance care in soil-free setups. Orchid orchidaceae is an elegant and exotic flowering plant admired for its delicate, long-lasting blooms and graceful stems. Many orchids, especially Phalaenopsis types, can adapt to water culture when roots are partially submerged and allowed to dry between cycles. Use a glass container and keep the crown above water to prevent rot. Place in bright, indirect light and warm indoor conditions with good air circulation. Change water regularly and let roots breathe occasionally. Orchids add a luxurious, modern touch to interiors and bloom for weeks with proper care, making them perfect for stylish indoor plant displays without traditional soil. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a fast-growing trailing plant loved for its striped, glossy leaves and delicate small flowers. It grows very easily in water, making it perfect for indoor glass containers and hanging displays. Simply place stem cuttings in water, ensuring the nodes are submerged so roots can develop quickly. Keep it in bright, indirect light to maintain healthy growth. Change the water weekly to keep it fresh and clear. This plant creates a lush, cascading look on shelves and tables, adding a vibrant, decorative touch to indoor spaces with minimal care and no soil mess. Begonia, Begonia semperflorens, is a compact, ever-blooming plant valued for its neat foliage and continuous flowers. It can be grown in water from healthy stem cuttings, making it a great option for indoor glass containers. Place cuttings so the nodes sit in water while leaves stay above the surface. Keep in bright, indirect light and a warm spot. Roots develop within days, followed by steady growth. Replace the water regularly to keep it fresh and prevent rot. Begonias are perfect for desks, windowsills, and small spaces, offering a cheerful, low-maintenance flowering display without the need for soil. Lotus, Nelumbo nucifera, is a sacred aquatic flowering plant admired for its large, serene blooms and round, water-repellent leaves that float or rise above the surface. It grows in water with its roots anchored in soil or clay at the bottom of a container or pond. Lotus needs full sunlight and warm conditions to thrive indoors near bright windows or outdoors in tubs. The plant symbolizes purity and calmness, often associated with spiritual and cultural traditions. Its impressive flowers and architectural leaves make it a stunning focal point in water gardens and decorative aquatic displays. Paperwhite, Narcissus papyraceus, is a fragrant, easy-to-grow bulb that thrives in water indoors, making it perfect for bright, elegant displays. It produces clusters of star-shaped blooms on slender green stems, often during cooler months. To grow, place bulbs on pebbles in a shallow container with water just touching the base. Roots will grow down, while the bulb stays above water. Keep in bright, indirect light. Shoots and flowers appear quickly, usually within weeks. Change water as needed to keep it fresh. Paperwhites are ideal for tabletops and windowsills, adding freshness, charm, and a lovely scent to indoor spaces. Water hyacinth, Eichhornia crassips, is a free-floating aquatic plant known for its glossy, rounded leaves and attractive flower spikes. It grows directly on water surfaces, with feathery roots hanging below, making it suitable for water bowls, tubs, or ponds in warm conditions. The swollen leaf stalks help it float naturally. It prefers bright sunlight and still water. This plant grows very fast and can spread quickly, so it needs regular control and space. Water hyacinth adds a lush, tropical look to water gardens and large containers, creating a natural, decorative aquatic display. Thanks for watching. Try growing these beautiful flowering plants in water and bring fresh life into your home. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy plant tips and indoor gardening ideas.